Some western Massachusetts communities have emergency sirens. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon found out that they are activated for much more than just tornadoes.
Emergency sirens can be turned on for multiple hazardous weather conditions, but there are not that many in western Massachusetts. Westover Air Reserve Base triggers its emergency sirens for more than just tornadoes. A 3 to 5 minute steady tone can indicate anything from lightning to flash floods to other serious hazards like wildfires. Most western Massachusetts cities don't have these sirens, which leaves many Pioneer Valley residents looking elsewhere for severe weather alerts.
I turn on the TV, and that's my go-to place.
The city of Springfield uses a robocall system to alert residents of dangerous weather, but many of us rely on government alerts, like the ones that buzzed our mobile phones during this week's flash flood warnings.
I was hearing the alert on my phone. I checked it out. It was a flood warning. It was actually pretty accurate, too.
To turn on government weather alerts, go to notification settings in your phone and turn on emergency alerts, or you can always rely on the 22 News Storm Team weather app. The emergency alert system targets specific areas to deliver important, localized information concerning weather, Amber Alerts, or other emergencies. But the good news is we are not expecting hazardous weather anytime soon. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Brian Lapis is tracking some pretty pleasant weather.